Royal Palace, Dar el Maxen. The details and decorations are truly breathtakingly beautiful. Mela, the old Jewish neighborhood. Here you can still feel the lively atmosphere, especially in the colorful markets.
Stop. Yes, it's a packet. The wood surrounding is a fifth really here. Then the sun off blue. Thank you, if you don't mind, for the time being to look at the sun. Picture and quick explanation. We're gonna sit on the market, we buy the flower, the blossom, we rent machine Florida, and put sand.
Lorem ipsa mosaïque et poterie de fée. Here you can see the best potters at work making beautiful mosaics and pottery in the traditional way, just as they have done for centuries.
This is place for silk, we call it.
The Medina with its souk remains an impressive place with a warren of alleyways.
Time for pictures, yeah. This closer with my hand.
Chowara, the district where they make leather. You immediately smell that strong scent of tanning, and everywhere you see brightly colored hides drying.